Let's talk about something most development teams never say out loud: letting go of features nobody loves. Usually, teams hang on to old features out of fear. What if someone complains? Should we send an email blast? And meanwhile, those features are just sitting there quietly eating up your time and budget. Now, the Standish Group's Chaos Report says 64% of software features are rarely or never used. 64%! And the Nielsen Norman Group found that when your product gets too cluttered, conversion rates can drop by 20 to 40%. And that's a lot of waste effort for stuff people don't even want. So, what's the play for your team? Try this. Spot the dead weight. If you are using a Scrum framework, in your sprint review or retrospective, look for features nobody's using or that causes a ton of support headaches. Just let them go. Remove them quietly in your next product increment. No drama, no big announcement. Keep an eye out for the next sprint or two. Watch for any feedback or complaints. Check who's making noise. Are they your VIP customers or just a handful of folks on old plans? Only bring it back if it really matters. If your most valuable users are upset, maybe reconsider. If not, move on. For example, your team supports a SaaS app. There is a customer export feature that only 3% of users touch, but it causes 22% of support tickets. Sprints later, only 6 people complained, and none of them are on your premium plans. Turns out, those 6 makes up less than 1% of your revenue. You keep the change, and suddenly onboarding completion jumps 17% because new users aren't tripping over confusing options. Or maybe you are working on a membership site, the team ditches 3 bonus resources that no one's used in months. Nobody notices. Months later, a survey shows users don't even remember those resources existed. Meanwhile, new member sign-ups go up 8%. The simple offering just made sense. So, what's the takeaway from this video? Every feature has a cost. Development time, support, and even mental clutter for your team and users. If you're using Scrum, then you know that Scrum is all about maximizing value and cutting waste. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to remove what's not working, even if nobody says a word. So next time you are cleaning up your backlog, ask yourself, is this feature really pulling its weight? More often than not, less really is more. Thank you for watching.